Hello, are you an English speaker and preparing for Code Dala Ruth? It means you are on a right channel. So let's begin. So firstly, I'm going to talk about Ponyo de Danger, the danger signs. The first danger signs that I'm going to talk about is Side la Passage. So the objective is to limit the collision. This sign does not require to stop at the intersection, but rather to give way to the drivers that are already on the road. And if the visibility is good, they can just slow down and merge into the traffic flow. This priority can be placed on the road, example at the intersection, as well as on the highway for the insertion lane. So a second sign is céder la passage à 150 mètres. So this sign is accompanied by a sign indicate the distance to the beginning of the zone from which the drivers have to give way to the vehicle that are already on the roadway. So our third sign is arrêté à la intersection à 150 mètres. So this sign says that driver has to stop at the intersection indicate the distance. So a fourth danger sign is route prioritaire. So this sign shows that you are on a priority road. It is visible as possible also for the user on the priority road who have not yet reached the intersection. So a fifth sign is fin de route prioritaire. So this sign shows that the priority route has been finished. So thank you. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.